Hello and welcome to Broken Working Bot's Quickfire Tutorials, and this video is about installing and setting up Anaconda, a repository of the most used Python packages or libraries and editors such as Jupyter Notebooks and Spider. In fact, Anaconda serves almost all of our computational needs. We simply head over to www.anaconda.com through the browser of our choice, going straight to the open source distribution package titled Individual Edition. As the name suggests, this is the free version, but it does contain all the computational and statistical tools one requires. Then, depending on the operating system, one may choose to download whichever is relevant. There are easy-to-access tutorials and guides which are quite extensive, if you'd like to know more. Alright, after the download is complete, a swift click on the downloaded executable file brings us to the setup page. There really isn't much to do here, except clicking on Next and agreeing to whatever Anaconda distribution wants us to. One may change the destination folder for installation, but that of course is optional. I would leave either of the advanced options as it is and install. And we are done. There really isn't much to do anymore. I wouldn't want to get into the tutorial or get started with Anaconda right away. So yeah, we have now installed the Anaconda system into our computer. The simplest way to find Anaconda is through the Start menu. You should also find the shortcuts to the command and power prompts, which are useful when installing packages in PyPy and Anaconda repositories using pip and conda commands. Shortcuts to Jupyter Notebook and Spider are also right there for us to get started with. For now, let's open Anaconda Navigator, which is a single GUI, a graphical user interface allowing us access to the most frequently used applications for scientific computing and data science. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the homepage of Anaconda Navigator, containing a list of applications available to augment data computational and visualization needs. Comment below if you'd like to know more about any or all of the applications. Now, we would be well served to instantly create a new environment, one that is different from the base or root folder. This is akin to creating a virtual environment within which to run and manage our different projects. We simply need to provide a name and choose the version of Python, along with whether we require the support for R, a programming language highly recommended for statistics, and then click on Next. Once the installation and setup of the new environment is complete, we may access it and choose to install or update any of the applications. For now, let's install Spider, a Python IDE or an integrated development environment that is best suited for data science. And once Spider or any other required application is installed, we now have a fully functional Anaconda distribution that is set up in our system. We're done for this video, so comment in your questions and thoughts. I will read through all of them. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Come on, show me some love and support. This is Broken Working Bot tuning out of the tutorial. Peace.